Your car's brakes are its most crucial safety feature, ensuring that you can stop safely in any situation. Yet many drivers overlook the signs of brake problems until it's too late, putting themselves and others at risk on the road. Understanding how to identify dangerous brake issues can save lives and prevent costly repairs. From unusual noises to warning lights, being aware of the symptoms can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll count down the top 10 ways to spot potential brake problems before they become serious. Stay tuned and keep your vehicle safe and roadworthy. 10. We have the importance of listening for unusual noises when you brake. One of the first signs that something might be wrong with your braking system is an unexpected sound. Common noises include squeaking, grinding, or rattling. If you hear a high-pitched squeal when you apply the brakes, it could indicate that your brake pads are worn down and need replacing. This squeaking sound often comes from a built-in wear indicator that signals the pad's thickness is low. Ignoring this sound can lead to more severe damage and expensive repairs, such as replacing the rotors. Grinding noises suggest that the pads are completely worn and that the metal backing of the brake pads is coming into contact with the rotor. This not only affects braking efficiency, but can also lead to damage to the rotors, which can be costly to repair or replace. If you hear any unusual noises, it's crucial to have your brakes inspected immediately to prevent further damage and ensure your safety on the road. 9. The sensation of vibration or pulsation when you apply the brakes. When you press the brake pedal, the car should stop smoothly. However, if you feel a pulsing or vibrating sensation, it may indicate an issue with the brake rotors. Warped rotors are a common cause of this problem and can occur due to excessive heat buildup from repeated hard braking. When rotors become warped, they do not make uniform contact with the brake pads, leading to inconsistent braking performance. This can significantly reduce stopping power and compromise your safety. If you notice vibrations in the brake pedal or steering wheel, it's essential to have your braking system checked by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. 8. We emphasize the importance of monitoring your brake fluid levels. Brake fluid is essential for the proper functioning of your braking system. If the fluid is low, it could indicate a leak in the system, which is a serious problem that requires immediate attention. To check your brake fluid, locate the brake fluid reservoir under the hood of your vehicle. It's typically a clear container with markings indicating the minimum and maximum fluid levels. If the fluid is below the minimum line, it's crucial to top it off with the recommended type of brake fluid. However, if you consistently find your brake fluid levels dropping, this could signify a leak or another underlying issue, and you should have your brakes inspected by a professional. 7. Paying close attention to how your brake pedal feels during operation. A properly functioning brake pedal should feel firm and responsive when you press it. If you notice that the pedal feels spongy, mushy, or sinks to the floor when you apply pressure, it could indicate a problem with the brake system. A spongy brake pedal often suggests air trapped in the brake lines, which can reduce braking effectiveness. This can occur if the brake fluid has not been properly bled, or if there is a leak in the hydraulic system. Conversely, a brake pedal that sinks to the floor may indicate a brake fluid leak or a failing master cylinder. In either case, it's crucial to address these issues immediately to ensure your vehicle stops safely. 6. We have the importance of keeping an eye on the warning lights on your dashboard. Many modern vehicles come equipped with advanced monitoring systems that can alert you to potential brake issues. If you see a brake warning light illuminated, it's a clear signal that something is wrong with your braking system. This light can indicate several problems, including low brake fluid levels, worn brake pads, or issues with the anti-lock braking system ABS. Ignoring warning lights can lead to severe safety risks, so it's crucial to investigate the cause of the light as soon as possible. Consult your owner's manual for details on what the warning light means, and consider taking your vehicle to a mechanic for a thorough inspection. 5. The need to inspect your brake pads regularly. Brake pads wear down over time due to friction with the rotors, and it's essential to check their condition to avoid dangerous braking situations. Most mechanics recommend inspecting brake pads at least every 1,000,000,000,000 miles, but you can also visually check them yourself if you're comfortable doing so. Look through the wheel spokes to see the brake pads. If they appear thinner than 1/4 of an inch, it's time for a replacement. Additionally, if you notice uneven wear on the pads or if they have cracks or chips, it's a good idea to replace them promptly. Neglecting to replace worn brake pads can lead to more extensive damage to your braking system, including damage to the rotors, which can be costly to repair. 4. We emphasize the importance of keeping an eye on your brake lines. Brake lines are crucial for delivering brake fluid from the master cylinder to the brakes at each wheel. If these lines become damaged or corroded, it can lead to brake failure. Inspect the brake lines regularly for any signs of wear, such as fraying cracks or leaks. If you notice any fluid pooling under your vehicle or around the brake components, it's essential to investigate immediately. Brake line issues can lead to a loss of hydraulic pressure, resulting in diminished braking power. If you suspect a problem, consult a qualified mechanic to assess the situation and replace any damaged lines. 3. Monitoring your stopping distance. If you find that it takes longer to stop your vehicle than it used to, this could be a sign of brake problems. Several factors can contribute to increased stopping distances, including worn brake pads, damaged rotors, or low brake fluid levels. Take note of any changes in how your car responds when you apply the brakes. If you have to press the brake pedal harder, or if the vehicle feels like it's struggling to slow down, it's time to have your braking system evaluated. Increased stopping distances can be dangerous, especially in emergency situations, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if you notice this change. 2. Evaluate how your brakes perform under different driving conditions. Pay attention to how your brakes feel when driving in various situations, such as wet or icy roads, steep hills, or heavy traffic. Your brakes should respond consistently regardless of the conditions. If you notice any differences, such as reduced stopping power or unusual noises when braking in specific situations, it may indicate a problem with your braking system. Brake performance can be affected by various factors, including the type of brake pads used and the condition of the rotors. Understanding how your brakes react in different conditions can help you spot potential issues before they become serious problems. 1. The importance of getting regular brake inspections. One of the best ways to ensure your braking system remains in good working order is to have it checked by a professional regularly. Many mechanics recommend scheduling a brake inspection every 1,2,000 miles, or at least once a year, even if you haven't noticed any issues. During an inspection, a qualified technician will assess the condition of your brake pads, rotors, brake lines, and fluid levels. They can catch potential problems before they become dangerous, ensuring your safety on the road. Regular inspections not only keep you safe, but can also save you money in the long run by preventing costly repairs due to neglect. In conclusion, your vehicle's braking system is vital to your safety, and knowing how to spot potential problems early can make all the difference. From listening for unusual noises to monitoring your stopping distance, being proactive about brake maintenance is key. Remember to pay attention to warning lights and keep an eye on your brake pads and lines. Regular inspections by a professional are essential to catch issues before they escalate. By staying informed and vigilant, you can ensure your vehicle remains safe and roadworthy. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and insights. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.